What's up guys, Major here. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to blur a particular spot in a video with KineMaster. So with that being said, let's get started. So you tap on create, then choose your ratio. I'm going to be choosing 16:9. Okay, once you choose that, it's going to open the workspace for you. So you choose the media you want. I'm going to checking it over here. Let's see, nothing is here, so we're gonna go back, go to record master. Okay, no, record master. We'll come over here, then we'll come here. Okay, now we're done with that. So this is how you do it. If you want to blur maybe your health bar, for instance, which is right here, if you can see my touch screen, I'm touching it right here. So what you have to do is you have to come to this place, you have to go to layer, effects, then you have to go to basic effects, and then you have to go to Gaussian blur, click on it, and then you have to fill this. You have to fill. Okay, you have to drag it all the way to the end of the video. Also the part you want to blur, you gotta drag it all the way here, all the way here. Okay, all the way here. Oh no. So we got to find a way to move it out. Okay, so once we're done with that, we have to come here. We have to also drag it to the beginning of the video. Beginning of the video. Okay. Okay, so this what you have to do is, once you're done with that, you have to come over here, you have to resize it, okay, to this, and then you have to drag it, to here, and then you have to still resize it a little bit. Okay, then you have to bring it to your health bar, and then you have to go to opacity. Okay, make sure it's 100%. Then you have to go to shape. You can give it a shape if you want to, but this is just the basic way for you to add for you to blur in KineMaster. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give the baby thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Major.